Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm creating another summer look and it's a wet look. So using the same brush. I'm going in with this cartridge eyeshadow palette and I'm making use of this particular color called Supernova. So guys, since it's a wet look, you don't need too much of a glitter, but the glitter is optional. And another thing in makeup is about blending and patience. So now I'm using my eyeliner to line my eyes, and it's called Manhattan Wonderlink eyeliner. But really I'm not good on this. I don't like this at all. because it's a wet look, you don't need so much eyeliner, just a little, not so boom, just a little. As you know, if you're watching my video, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 video I have on YouTube, you know that I do this off camera, my eyelashes. So see you guys later. Boom. Okay, so now I'm going into my primer and then foundation. So today I'm using this primer and I got it in Rossmann. Here it's called Jelly Primer. And it's made of watermelon. So if you are here in Germany, Berlin, go to Rossmann or DM, get it. And it's affordable. So now I'm going into my foundation, and you know what? My favorite NYX foundation, color Cappuccino. And today I'm going in with my brush, and this brush, there's no name, sorry guys. I got it from Amazon. Sorry. There's no name. Now I'm using my beauty blender to blend it. I'm done with my foundation, so I'm going in with my concealer to conceal my face. My banana powder from Revolution Banana Powder Light. So now I'm going in with my Sleek contour palette. Oops. Sorry, I have to change the brush to this. Now I'm using my brush to brush this off. So I'm done with my foundation, contour, concealer, banana powder. Now let's go into my lips. So I'm lining my lips with this Rival Love Me lip liner. I'm going into the lipstick and setting spray. So now I'm setting my face with Essence setting spray. So now I'm highlighting my face, and I'm using this palette from Pure Glow highlighting palette. So now I'm using this shade, and it's called Eden. My blush is from Catrice. I'm using my lip gloss from Kiss Able Rival Love Me to bring out the wet look. Using the same lip gloss on my eyelid, and I'm also using it on my lips. So now I'm using my hand. Sorry guys, not my hand, my finger. To press it on. So I'm using it on my lips. So guys, this is the final look of my wet look. My wet look. And this bob hair is made by me. That's beautiful me. So guys, I will leave the link of the hair below so you can go there and click and check how I make the wig. See you guys later. Thank you for watching. Don't fail to subscribe, share, like, and thumb up. See you on my next video.